Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Paul again and welcome to another episode here on Time for the Builders. And in today's episode, we will discuss and we will teach you how to post a meron tayong Inspired TV. So merong nag-post and merong nag-comment and sabi niya paano mag-post ng Inspired TV video dun sa wall natin sa Facebook. Okay, so in this video tuturuan namin kayo kung paano gawin yun. Okay, so napakasimple lang, meron lang tayong kailangan na i-download, okay, from our apps or whatever Play Store na gamit nyo. So ang gamit ko sa cellphone ko is Android, my cellphone is Android and I use Play Store. So kailangan nyo lang i-upload is Facebook and then Google Chrome. As you can see right now in my screen, we have Facebook and then Google Chrome and Pages Manager. I have already downloaded my Pages because I want to have monetized on my page, and then wherever I am, pwede mo kagad ma-access yung page mo through this app. Okay, I hope na nakuha nyo ng affiliate link nyo. So all you have to do first is go to your Google Chrome and then type that affiliate link on the search engine. Okay, so sa akin naka-type na ako dun sa search engine ko. So as you can see right here, I have this inspiredtv.co/15 lessons people learn. So yun yung video na na-choose ko, and then sa dulo nun merong nakalagay yung affiliate link. So dun sa 30TIP nakalagay na rin kung paano nyo maililink yung account nyo dun sa video. Every video na mapipick nyo or mapipili nyo na i-post, kailangan nyo i-link yung affiliate link nyo. Okay, we have to choose first the video. So I think we have pili pa tayo ng iba. Okay, so I would like to change. Okay, I think this video is good. Change your mind and become successful. So I click on that, click the video, and then it will appear in front of this app. Okay, as you can see right here, change your mind and become successful. So ito yung video. Okay, so just post that. Okay, so sa iba merong option sila na pwede nilang i-click. Example, you can click on this URL and then copy just like that, or you can double tap on the video and then just click on this arrow here. So I don't know if you have the same image na nakita ninyo. So for me, pwede nyo siyang i-click yan by clicking that arrow there. It means to say na diretso siya or na-copy nyo na yung link. Okay, so you can transfer that. It means to say that you can share the video whenever or saan nyo pwede siyang i-share. Okay, so for me this is I want to share this on my Facebook profile, and then so see, naka-post na kagad siya. So napaka-effective. So one thing is sa pagpo-post nyo, pwede nyo sa i-set sa only me. Okay, so kasi merong iba nakalagay dito is friends. So you can set that only me muna para ma-secure nyo na talagang okay yung pagpo-post nyo. Okay, so pwede na tayo mag-click dyan. Okay, simple as that. Example lang yan. And for me, hindi ko gusto na mag-share ng link kasi gusto ko mag-inspire sa ibang tao muna. And that is my first way to express na I'm doing a business. Okay, so pag nakita yan nila, ibig sabihin you are a person of parang nagigive ng motivation sa ibang tao or nagigive ng help na para ma-inspire din sila. So you are being a person of parang a valuable person. Okay, so pag nakita nila yan sa wall or nakita nila sa wall mo, ibig sabihin parang lumalapit yung loob nila sa'yo. Okay, so yan din yung first 1 to 2 days na strategy, because yan pa lang yung starting point na pwede mo magpakilala, okay, as a person na doing a business kay affiliate marketing. Okay, so I think so pwede rin kayo, especially one thing din pala, before you type or before kayo makapagbigay ng words about dun sa video, kailangan tingnan niyo rin muna yung video, and by watching it, matututunan nyo kung paano or ano yung ipopost nyo or ano yung ilalagay nyong word. Okay, so hindi lang kayo basta-basta magsusulat. Ibig sabihin, pwede rin magbibigay kayo ng word na kailangan parehas din dun sa video na napanood nyo. Okay, so please watch first the video and then post the comment. Okay, and then once na nakapagbigay na kayo, or try lang natin na okay na yon, so click nyo lang yung friends, ibig sabihin sa friends nyo lang, and then post it. Okay, just post. Okay, let's go to our Facebook, and then okay, yun na, nandito na yung video nyo. Okay, okay, so once na-upload na, so meron na tayong video. Okay, so meron din siyang na medyo maliit yung thumbnails niya. Okay, so I have a video about this, and pwede niyo siyang ma-fix through sa laptop. Okay, so another thing na pwede nating i-try is yung isa na pwede nating i-copy yung link. Try natin ito kung mag-work. Okay, so we want a bigger thumbnails para maging attractive siya doon sa mga audience natin or within doon sa profile account natin, mga friends natin. So we'll make another post, and by copying that, post lang natin. Okay, okay, so share. Okay, so nakita natin na meron siyang difference dun sa pagpo-post. I think dun sa first, and this is a trial. Okay, so example na pwede ka makapag-post through dun sa pag-share and then sa pag-copy ng link and post it here in your wall. So I think that video, and again, meron akong ginawa na video para pwedeng gawing mas malaki pa dito. Okay, mas malaki pa na thumbnail. This is the thumbnail. Okay, meron akong ginawang video na pwede pa na mas malaki yung thumbnail. So, and check out that lang sa ating group, Time Freedom Builders, and I think this is the end of the video. And if you have want me to make a tutorial, this is a weekly tutorial na ginagawa natin every week, and then para makatulong din sa iba. So if you want me to make a video a certain topic, please comment and share lang doon sa comment section, and then like, share, and still subscribe dun sa video natin, and hope na this gives helpful tips also for our members here in Time Freedom Builders. Again, this is Paul, and have a great day ahead, guys. See you in the next video. Bye.